Okay, let's go over the theory stuff. Just a couple things. Now, the first thing, we're going to do a comparison. So here is what you first put in. And what I'd like you to do is try some different placements for the G sus2, D sus2, and same thing here, the sus4s. So I got an idea of how this could go. I think has a lot or a bit less movement. See what you come up with, and then we'll have you compare the two, and we'll just stick with the one that has the least amount of fretboard movement. Bar number 61, there is a correction that needs to be made. And bar number 84, also a correction that needs to be made. I'm not telling you what needs to be corrected, but something in both of those bars needs to be fixed. And then also got the key of F prepared for one more round of this idea. All right, polyrhythm time. So, number 1, 60. Here we go. So all those downstrokes need to be evenly spaced out. Every single one evenly spaced. Here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong chord. 1, 2, 3, and a 4 and a 1. Let's go to 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's go back to 160 and get some repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 2. So practice with Guitar Pro, practice with a metronome that has the triplet subdivision going. Whatever you need to help you get this. Definitely get used to counting the 4s. So, before you even apply the chords, if you can't comfortably do this, don't strum anything yet. So I would start off by counting a bar or 2 of straight regular 8th note triplets and then turn it into the 4. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I was emphasizing things incorrectly a moment ago, but at least I had the numbers in the right spot. So basically the emphasis will go like this. At the very beginning, obviously the 1, and then the 4, then the 3, then the 2. So it just goes backwards. It goes 1, 4, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's do that again. Actually, now I'm thinking about there's one thing that might be a bit concerning. So yeah, emphasizing that part makes sense to help you line up where the different numbers are with the click. However, the idea is we're going to be spacing things out across the group of 4. So what I will be doing is removing some of the strumming, so this way it gradually becomes just one chord spaced out. Well, basically it'll be 3 chords hit evenly spaced across the 4 beats. So we won't be changing chords, when that emphasis comes in. It's still going to be on the 1 every time. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be changing every time we say the 1 again. So just keep that in mind. So emphasizing the number of the 1, 2, 3, 4, emphasizing that out loud. When it needs to line up with the beat, that's totally fine. But just keep in mind when we start removing strumming, we still need to think about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 across the triplets. And we will be changing chords, or at least hitting chords, when the whole groups of 4 thing happens. So does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. I just don't want you to get used to the idea of emphasizing the different parts of the 1, 2, 3, 4, thinking that we'll be changing chords when the emphasis happens, because that's not going to be the case, and it's not the case now. So anyway, hopefully that didn't just make things more confusing. So I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, no emphasis. And here we go at 60 again. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 120. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 160. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give 200 a shot. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 160 for repetitions. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 3, same rhythm, different chords. 60. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 120. A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 160 for some repetition. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right. Any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again next week.